In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a product category in Odoo step by step using the Odoo online demo. This tutorial is perfect if you're new to Odoo, learning e-commerce management, or just want a clear walkthrough of how product categories work inside Odoo. We'll go through everything slowly so you can follow along without any confusion. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Odoo Demo Online. From the search results, click on the option that says Demo Odoo Online. This will take you to Odoo's official demo environment, where you can explore features without installing anything. The demo is great for practice and learning, especially if you don't yet have a live Odoo database. Once the demo page loads, you'll see several available databases. Go ahead and select one of them and let it load completely. After the demo environment opens, you'll land on the main Odoo dashboard. From here, look for the Website app and click on it. This app is where Odoo manages everything related to your website and online store. Inside the Website app, find and click on the eCommerce option. This section controls your online shop, including products, pricing, and categories. After clicking on eCommerce, look for the Products menu and click on it. This will open the Product Management screen, where all your existing products are listed. Now that you're on the Products page, look for the New button, usually located at the top left. Click on New to start creating a new product. When the product form opens, you'll see several fields like product name, price, and category. This is where product categories come into play. To create a new product category, find the Category field in the product form. Click on the drop-down menu, and then choose the option to create a new category. Enter the name of your product category, for example, clothing, electronics, or accessories. Once you type the name, save or confirm the category. Odoo will automatically create this category and assign it to your product. If you want to manage categories in more detail, you can also go directly to the Product Categories menu from the backend. From there, you can create parent and child categories, set category images, and organize your store structure more effectively. Proper categories make your e-commerce website easier to navigate and help customers find products faster. After creating and assigning the category, don't forget to save your product. That's it. You've successfully created a product category in Odoo using the demo environment. If this tutorial helped you understand how product categories work in Odoo, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.